Hey Janet, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com again. This is the second ETF that you had sent me, or the second ticker that you had sent me. This one is URA. It is the ETF for Global X Uranium, just a uranium ETF. So this is the data we have. It's dating back to 2010. It started back, looks like somewhere around 100, moved up to 125, and then has just steadily declined from that point, probably down to around 10, before giving us a larger bounce in 2016. So not a lot of questions here other than, hey, is it done with its downtrend? It's been in a downtrend again since about 2011 into 2016, so you're talking 5 solid years of downtrending movement. Chances are this is a trendy move. It's really hard to label it at this time, and to be honest with you, it doesn't matter too much. Again, all it boils down to is determining if the downtrend might have ended here in 2016. So this has been a pretty impressive recovery, one of the bigger recoveries we've seen over the last 5 years. You could probably include the move off the 2013 low into the 2014 high, and maybe this one here off the 2011 up to the 2012 high. So those are the other big bounces. Those obviously didn't pan out. Those turned into just basically stair steps to lower levels. So we're wanting to know if this recovery is something different off the 2016 low. So that's the only question. There's no point in doing anything other than zooming into the advance off the 2016 low and seeing what it looks like. So good news, it looks pretty darn good. The advance off of January's low does in fact look like a trendy move. This is the trendiest up move we've seen on URA basically since its inception. This is a really good sign. There's no guarantee that this is the low of all time, and major low, or whatever else you want to call it, but there is a very good chance that this is only the first up leg of a much larger advance. So this does very much look like a good buying opportunity. Once again, because it looks like a trendy move. Not only that, the pullback off of April's high into May's low found support where it should in this yellow area, and after the recovery in June, this looks like a counter trend move. So we have a trendy move followed by a counter trend move. Seems pretty straightforward. Only one way to go from here, and that looks to be up. So if you're looking to buy this guy, I think you could buy him around 1575. The most important level on the chart at this time is 13. As long as URA doesn't trade below 13, we can remain bullish on this guy and expect it to continue higher. But if you buy it at 1575, I would put a stop at 1425 as the level that it can't go below for you to stay in the position. So again, I would consider buying it at 1575, using a stop at 1425, and then just trailing that stop higher as the move continues from there. So a ton of potential. This goes along with a lot of the other precious metals that we're looking at, particularly gold. So it looks like the future is bright for URA, and absolutely a buying opportunity based on the potential that this advance off the 2016 low is going to become a much larger move, and that potential is certainly there. So I hope that's helpful. I have one more ETF that I'm going to analyze for you, and we will get to that next. Thanks.